inspired. I hope you're having a good day so far. I'm pretty excited to be heading over to Pokpok Island this weekend, and I'll be staying over there overnight, and the plan is to fish, explore some of the nearby islands, and also do some snorkeling. But I'm going to take you guys with me and let's see what we get up to. So there's a few things we just need to sort out before we go. We need to pack, or finish off packing at least, and also we need to get fuel en route. The fuel's for the boat trip across, and then also whilst we fish and explore some of the nearby islands. There's nothing really available on Pokpok, so food, drink, fuel, fishing gear, that all needs to come with us. Hey John, you alright?
Nice to see you there. Hey!
There we go.
Pass me your bag.
Okay. Joe, you're in the camera.
You're in the camera, you gotta look impressive.
So we've just got to Pokpok Island and thought I'd take a bit of a stroll just around the peninsula as far as I could go. So I've kind of got to this point now where at high tide the beach comes to an end and it's just ocean. But yeah, looking back around the bay, incredible turquoise water, especially when the light or the sun comes out. So I think the plan for today is to wait for low tide and head out and do a bit of fishing. And then, yeah, in between we'll probably do a bit of kayaking or maybe some snorkeling, or there's also some stand-up paddle boards. But firstly, Papua New Guinea coffee in Papua New Guinea, and check out this view.
Fine. Woo! Woo!
Hello. Sam?
Hey!
That was a good finale.
Yeah.
Good start. Woo!
Yeah.
Wait, who caught that one, Joe?
That was mine.
Oh, really? Where'd the little one go?
Hold on.
Two for the price of one.